What's up guys, it's Edmarys and I am back with another hair tutorial. Excuse the bare face. I feel like for the past few videos I've been coming on here with no makeup. So I need to change that up a little bit and just put something on my face so I can look somewhat decent. But for now, I am going to be talking about this product right here that I came across. I purchased this from Target about 5 months ago with the intention of doing a review on it, but I never got around to it. I decided to do it today. My hair has no product on it. It is freshly washed. And this really caught my attention because on the packaging, it says that this can be used with wet or dry hair. This is one of those steamer flat irons that was really popular on Instagram about 6 months ago. So when I saw this in the store, I wanted to give it a shot. I believe it retailed for either $20 or $30. I'm not sure, but I will link everything down below for you guys. So I do want to go ahead and give it a shot. Because it says on the packaging that you could use it on wet or dry hair, I will be testing it out both ways. I'm going to split my hair straight down the center, and on one side I'm going to be using it with my hair dry, and then on the other side I'm going to be using it with my hair wet. So I'm a little concerned or hesitant about using it on wet hair because that is one of the ultimate ways to get heat damage. But because it says that that's what it's used for, it even says it on the front. It says wet to straight. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out and see if it works out. I haven't straightened my hair since the last review video I did on that electric straightener brush. So that was the last time I straightened my hair, but we're gonna go ahead and do it again today, and I really hope it works. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm officially done with one side of my hair. I did it with my hair dry, and it took me like 15 minutes to do one side, which wasn't bad at all. I thought it was going to take me a lot longer. When I'm doing it with my hair dry, I really didn't notice any difference whatsoever when it comes to this and a regular flat iron. The only thing is that this is a lot thicker than the flat iron that I own, so I felt like it went by a lot quicker. But so far, on the dry side, no difference whatsoever from a regular flat iron. I do notice a difference in my hair. It feels, I don't want to say oily, but it feels moisturized, which usually when I flat iron my hair completely dry with no product, it feels dry. But I added a hair butter last night to my hair, and I feel the difference. I mainly added it because I knew I was going to do this video, so my hair does feel pretty moisturized, which I'm really happy about. But now for the good side, I'm gonna go ahead and do it on this side of my hair with my hair wet. So I have my spray bottle right here. We are going to go ahead and spray all of this side, and then we're gonna use it wet to see how it works. It has steam holes here in the front, and it also has them inside. So the steam is supposed to come out of this section, and it says on the box that if you see smoke, not to worry, that it is not burning your hair. What is it exactly that it says? If you see steam, it's normal. It's just the excess water, and it's not burning your hair. So if we see the steam, like the picture, it says not to worry. It is just the steam from the water that your hair is not burning. I don't know why this whole concept makes me really nervous, but we're gonna go ahead and try it out and see which side looks better. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair, and we're gonna get started and see what happens. Okay, so my hair is completely wet. We're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off in the front because I think it'll just be easier to film so you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and brush through the hair. Let's go ahead and see if we see any steam situation going on. Oh my God. Oh my God, I don't know if I like this. The steam is not coming from the holes, it's coming from the actual plate itself. I'm just scared. Oh, I'm scared I'm gonna fuck up my hair. Yeah, I see no steam coming from the holes, like at all. I mean, it dried pretty fast. Look, it's already dry. And it feels really soft. I honestly think it feels soft because of that hair butter that I used last night. Because my hair never ever feels this soft when I just flat iron it. I actually like the way this side looks better than this side. It looks a lot prettier and healthier than just using it with my hair dry. Let me see. Can you see the difference? This side just looks a lot silkier than this side. Let's do one more take here and see what happens. So let's do one. Oh my God. Two. So with 3 takes, it's already fully dry. Like by passing it through my hair 3 times, it's fully dry. I really like the way this side looks. It looks really good. It looks nice and soft and smooth. Okay, let's go ahead and finish up the rest of the hair. So I'm back. It is now day 2 and this is what my hair looks like. It's pretty long. I'm gonna stand up and show you guys the length. Just ignore my ends because my ends are pretty bad. This is what the back looks like. Hopefully you all can see that. So yeah, so I really do like this product, but I did notice a difference when I did it with my hair dry versus my hair wet. It is recommended for you to do it with your hair wet. That is the whole purpose and intention of this product. Now, I did apply heat protectant, so of course, always add a heat protectant to your hair when you're adding any sort of heat to it. When I did the dry side, I put it at 20-25, which is what is recommended. It's actually recommended 1 through 20 on dry hair. I did it on 20-25, and then I put it to 30 when I did the wet side. Now, I didn't notice the steam coming out of the vent holes like it's shown in the picture. I just saw it coming out of the plates, which really concerned me a little bit because that just means that the product is burning my hair. It does assure you on here that if you see the steam, not to worry, that it's normal, that it's the excess water, and that it's not burning your hair. But I can't help but feel that my hair was being burnt. It did dry my hair rather quickly on the wet side. I did it 4 times and it was completely dry. I also like that it is a thick plate, like the ceramic is thick. It is 1 inch and 3/4. So you get a lot more hair. You could do it faster. For someone like me who has a lot of hair, the lights are making me super hot. So for someone like me who has a lot of hair, using like a thicker flat iron is ideal because it just goes by a lot quicker. But overall, I think this is a pretty cool product. I mean, would I recommend it? Sure. It wasn't that expensive. It did the job. It didn't take me that long. My entire head took about an hour to complete, which wasn't bad at all. And then this morning, I just took my regular flat iron and just hit up my roots a little bit just so that I could get rid of all of the little flyaways that I had. But yeah, this thing is pretty cool. I mean, have you guys tried this out? Have you guys even seen this? I think it's pretty cool. I just wanted to try it out because I was intrigued by the whole steam situation. But I don't think this is what I had in mind when it comes to the steam flat irons, because I saw a different one online and I thought it was this, but it's not this. What else? Yeah, I think that's it, you guys. I don't think I have anything else to say. If there is something that I forgot to touch bases on, something that I wanted to say that I totally forgot, because that happens to me all the time when I'm filming, I will list it in the description bar below, so please check that out and take a look at it. I will also list this product down there as well. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is what I look like with straight hair. I haven't blow dried or straightened my hair since the last video I've done. And I don't do it as often because my hair, it's not like that straight. It just looks kind of puffy to me. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It looks okay. But yeah, thank you again for watching, you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!